Hindi ya uruguria wa kigomano kia thikabu wa kanitha wa Catholic kia Amesea kiria githaganitio guku Nairobi gikirongoreria maundu ma andu ethi nikuo minister munene orotete ugwati wa bururi gwikora irimaini kumana na maundu maria marathie na mbere.
One of our most devastating moments, one of our darkest moments, was the post-election violence that ensued after 2007-8 elections. We lost 1,400 young people to violence. We spent 42 days at Serena brokering peace in this country.
Minister uyu akioya mweke uyu kuria andu ethi gwithema gwitikira kuwa mutego-ini wa kuhuthirwo guthoga thayu wa bururi.
No young and promising life should be sacrificed for political expedience. Elections will come and go. But our nation's unity, stability, and future must endure for generations to come.
Agiathiriria bara na uhaguku wa thayu mabururi-ini mamwe ma Afrika, Mudavadi niaririkanitie kanitha ati iri na itemi ria bata hari kurimira thayu na uiguano.
Open the back channels. Talk to the warring and conflicting parties. Get them to sit under one roof, on the same table, and stop the violence. We rely on you. We depend on you. We cannot operate without you. We are conjoined at the hip. We just have to walk together.
Amesea wants to listen more attentively to what the Spirit is telling us through the vibrance and vitality that comes with youthful society. Not to pay attention to youthful society not only smacks of recklessness, but is also tragically irresponsible.
Kigomano giki kia Amesea kiria kiombirwo mwaka-ini wa 1961 kinyitithanitie thikabu kuma mabururi 9 ma gitaru kia irathiro ria Afrika maria ni Kenya, Ethiopia, Malawi, Sudan, South Sudan, Tanzania na Uganda. Gerifotera Inooro TV returekwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.